This beautiful stream that we get to watch for these next 5 minutes is in such a serene area of the mountains. And it is such a beautiful stream. It's very cold, but it's in this little valley, this tiny little ditch, if you will, that has little cascading parts of the stream falling down it. The headwaters come from the snowmelt and down into a meadow above this stream. A beautiful meadow that is full of grasses well above your head, and you can hear the sound of trickling water through the whole meadow, but you cannot walk in the whole meadow. It's marshy. It's meant for moose and little critters to run around on the logs around the edge. But just take a moment, even this tiny little clip of this stream, and just think about all the magic that it carries with it. From the top of the high mountain being snow, over all of the stones, through all of the stones that it needed to travel through and over, waiting in the meadow and cascading down into this beautiful space where you get to see it. I just find it wonderful how water, it washes away things, but it holds memory. It brings with it every place it's been. And that doesn't change it. That doesn't change the water. But at the same time, the water changes everything that it touches. It revitalizes some things. It erodes away some things. It gives structure to stone and tree. It washes away dirt and sediment and washes it down into beautiful plains of existence. Water inundates everything, and yet still stays itself. But I just find it beautiful that it can also change you and change everything around you. And sometimes you don't see that change right away. It takes time. It takes time to see that change. But that's the beautiful thing, is water is also, it doesn't mind. It doesn't mind that there's time that passes by. It changes form, being crystalline, being flowing, being stagnant, being droplets in the air. And then it changes shape, but it never changes like what it is. And yet it still gets to change everything around it. I think water is the epitome of change. Embrace the change in your life. Sometimes flowing with the states that water puts you in can just really make you into more and more of the person that you are supposed to be. Water remembers who it is. You remember who you are.